Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie, or just Stephanie P, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my fill-ins on my nails and on my clients' nails. So we're just going to jump right into it. And starting off, I take a cuticle pusher and I push my cuticles back. I'm not aggressive with this or anything like that. It may look like it because it's sped up, but I'm really not being aggressive. Then I go in and I take my, what are these things called? They're not tweezers, nippers. I'm not really sure what these things called, but I go in and then I remove any excess product that's lifting up. Well, not excess product because it's not excess, but any product that's lifting up, I go ahead and remove. And I think, in my personal opinion, I took off too much than what I needed to, but it's fine. We're going to fill it in anyway. But today we're going to be featuring a nail drill that I got off of Amazon, and it's from the brand Gershion. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'll leave it down below. I'll leave the link down below. And this nail drill was less than $20, right? So I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys. And as you guys can see, it comes with the sand bands. It came with some drill bits, the power cord, and the actual nail drill itself. And also the instructions and a brush to wipe away all the dust and stuff. Now, before I get into this nail drill, I will say, you guys will see me showing you, but I will say that the power cord for this drill, you're going to need an adapter piece. Like, it has this USB kind of port or whatever, so you're just going to need like the end piece that you use to stick in the wall in order to utilize this drill. Now for me, I'm going to use the drill set to the right, and I'm just going to use the mandrel for the sanding bands throughout this entire video. So that's what I'm just going to do. I know I took out another one, but I tried to use it and no. I'll tell you guys about it later on in the video. But yeah, so I'm just going to use the mandrel for the sanding band. Now, another thing, this drill does have a reverse and forward setting, and also you can control the speed. It don't necessarily tell you. It just has the high and low, and you kind of really got to figure out like what's in between. So I used it was a kind of medium to high setting, and I'm just going to take the sanding band on the reverse setting, and I'm going to file down all the product that I have removed, so that way when we go in to fill in our nails, there's a smooth transition and you can't tell where the old product and the new product meet. So I'm just going to thin that out as much as possible, and I'm also going to take the shine off of my nails. Okay, so let's talk about the nail drill. Now, I got it off of Amazon for $17, so if you don't have a lot of money to go and buy an expensive nail drill, you can definitely purchase this one. I absolutely think it's worth the $17. Now, one thing I will say is that the drill is definitely beginner friendly. It comes with everything that you're going to need, especially if you're just starting off. The kit, it does include sanding bands, a dust brush, to wipe away all the dust, and it does have a variety of drill bits for both gel and acrylic nails, and also your natural nails. Now, to the actual drill itself, like, I definitely was surprised at the performance of this drill. Especially for it being $17, I was expecting something cheap, poor quality. But you guys, don't let the price of this drill fool you, okay? This drill is actually bomb. It's like super powerful. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the RPM goes up to 20,000, if I'm not mistaken. But it's very lightweight in your hands. It's definitely comfortable to use. I definitely prefer the comfortability of this drill versus the other one. The only thing I didn't like about this drill is that the bits, it kept moving up and down, popping out. You know, it's like mad annoying. Now, I'm not sure if there was a defect with mine, but that just really got on my nerves. And then I didn't necessarily care that it had a USB adapter, but I'm sure it can be useful for somebody, just not me. But overall, I do think the nail drill is definitely worth $17, and I definitely would purchase it. You know, although I don't like the bits kept popping out of it, you know, I just put them back in and kept it pushing. But overall, I do think it's a good drill, like I said. Okay, so moving along. Now I'm going to take my dehydrator and I'm applying that over all of my nails. And then I took my Mia Secrets primer and I applied 2 coats of that to my nails. Now look at my nails, you guys. They're like super long. I'll probably end up cutting them down, but they're like super long. I'm like super excited. I think this is like my 3rd or 4th time cutting them down over the time span of 12 months. I have cut my nails down drastically and they just keep growing back. So shout out to my nails. Okay, so now that our nails are prepped, we are ready to put down the base gel. And I'm using the Model 1's base gel. I absolutely love this one. I tried the McCart's base gel, and it was like very thick and chunky. So I'm not sure if that one was bad. I'm not sure what happened. But so far, I do love the Model 1's base gel. And I'm just applying that to my nails. Now, if you apply it all over the nails, I'm sure it's not going to be a big deal. But I just only applied it to my nails, the part that's going to be filled in. And I let that cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm taking the McCart Dark Pink Polygel, which is my absolute favorite. I love this tone for my skin tone. So I'm just taking that and I'm applying a very, very, very small bead. And I'm just going to push that back into the cuticle area and get it very flush. And then I'm just going to drag the product down my nail bed. And of course, you want to make sure that you thin out the product so that there's not a harsh line from the old product and the new product. You want to make sure that you thin it out so that there's just a smooth, seamless transition. So this is what my nails are looking like now that we have all the product on. So I'm just going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer. And then I'm going to go back in with the nail drill. And I'm going to use the sanding band. And I am going to use it on the reverse setting. And I'm going around my cuticle area. Okay, so now that my cuticle area is done, I'm just going to immediately go into smoothing the top of my nails. I want to take away any lumps, bumps, any dips or groove. I'm just going to go in and make the top of my nails, the surface of my nails, smooth. Now, I didn't show the filing and the shaping with the hand file off camera because I wanted this video to be focused on the nail drill specifically. So I did do that off camera. But in my previous video, I'll link it in the description. It shows the filing, or I think I showed some of the filing in there. So just go back and watch that video. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I applied my top coat and some jewels. And my nails look brand new. I just got me a fresh set. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below on what nail videos you want me to do. Because, of course, I'll keep them coming for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 500 subscribers. That's a goal of mine. So subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.